Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase on Android. First, download the Coinbase app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open it and create your account using a valid email and a strong, unique password. You'll then need to complete identity verification by providing necessary documents, which helps secure your account and comply with regulations. This step is crucial for full access to all features. After setting up your account, the next step is to add funds. You can easily link a bank account or a debit card to your Coinbase profile. Navigate to the Payment Methods section and select your preferred option. Once linked, you can initiate a deposit to transfer funds into your Coinbase wallet, making them available for buying cryptocurrencies. It's a straightforward process. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to buy or sell crypto. Browse the available cryptocurrencies and select the one you're interested in. Enter the amount you wish to trade, whether it's a specific dollar amount or a quantity of crypto. Always review the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming your purchase or sale. This ensures accuracy and helps you manage your investments. Coinbase makes managing your crypto portfolio simple. You can easily view all your cryptocurrency holdings and their current market value directly from the app. Consider setting up price alerts for specific assets to stay informed about market movements. Regularly review your transaction history and account statements to keep track of your activity and understand your investment performance over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.